Playtime.
Hi, Elisha. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
What you got, Elisha? Show me.
Frontloader.
Is it Frontloader? It's a truck, heavy duty truck.
And this one. It's a cute dinosaur. Cheeky dinosaur.
Oh yeah? Okay, open it now, Elisha. Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay.
What's that?
The big one.
The big one?
Yeah. Mommy, this one.
How about
This
this
one.
one? What's that?
More one. I see more one.
Does this one work? Is this working?
Yes.
Where? Oh my.
Down.
Oh, you put it in the Facebook?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Put it in the Facebook.
Okay. We put it in Facebook.
How about we put this one?
Yeah.
The battery had Toby.
Okay.
I'll show you, okay?
Okay.
I'll show you, mommy. I'll show you here.
Okay. Show
I'll
me.
show you.
Show me. Where? Oh wow, nice. Let me see it.
You put it here. Put it.
What? Can you press the button, that one? Can I see?
Okay.
Can I see? Show me how it works. One more. There's more. How about this button? Oh, that's nice. Wow.
But don't make it down.
Elisha, what do you call this?
Excavator.
Is that?
Bulldoser.
Well, how about this one?
That truck.
A dump truck? Wow.
That truck.
How about this one? What's that? No, this yellow one. What is this?
Bus.
Is it a bus?
Yeah. It's a bus.
Okay. Yeah, how about the small one? What is this? Oh yeah? And this one? What's this? It's a mixer. It's a mixer, right? Ooh. And what is this? This one. Is this front loader? How does it work? Let me show me. Why?
Because mommy wants a video.
Yeah, I'm taking video. Okay, go play now. That's a mixer?
Yeah, this is Ryan.
Ford. It's a Ford, Elisha.
Yeah.
You got a Ford truck. Nice.
You go put the tree. Hey, don't hit the meter, mommy. Hit the meter.
What? Oh.
The meter.
Oh, what is this? It's so little.
Mommy, hit this one.
It-
Yeah, there's no battery.
There's no what?
There's no battery.
Oh, there's no battery.
There's no battery.
And how about this one?
Hey, hey, what's the here? That's here. Hey, don't, mommy, don't.
I'll go get this bus.
Don't.
What? Why? Why are you crying?